Crop for the Future mission is to diversify agriculture for the future when we expect climate change. Climate change in places like Malaysia can have a very big impact. Our existing crops like rice, like oil palm will be severely affected by the high temperature. However, there are around 7,000 plants which are suitable for future agriculture, such as the Moringa plant here. The Moringa plant is very common in the tropical countries. It has a lot of wonderful nutritional qualities as well as medicinal effects. Beneficial effects include anti-cancer, for reducing cholesterol. Many of these research have been tested on small animals but not been extended to humans. But they are now reaching commercial production. Take this for example. This is a product in Europe and this is selling and being cleared by the European Union. We want our farmers in future to grow food crops which have nutritional values as well as medicinal effects. And these materials have to reach the big market so that our farmers are interested in growing them. We are also targeting these plants for marginal environments which currently is not being utilized in much of the tropics, either because they are poor in nutrition, they're poor in terms of fertility, or in terms of the amount of rainfall. Crops like Moringa are really extremely important because unlike the Green Revolution, they don't require heavy inputs. They don't need a lot of fertilizer. Very often they don't need irrigation, but they can also improve the soil fertility. And this is very important because a lot of our Green Revolution products like rice, wheat, maize, oil palm requires a lot of inputs, and this input contribute to climate change. Crops like this doesn't need all this tender loving care. So it is important because this is the way in which you can have sustainable agriculture. And at CFF, we are also interested in looking at the needs of the energy, the bioenergy for the future. Many of these crops have other functions. They can provide oil for aviation industry, material for making renewable energy. So those are some of the things that we are working on in the Field Research Center. Most of the crops that we use either have nutritional properties like in producing nitrogen for the soil or fixing micronutrients which are not available in conventional crops.